Hello. During turning, long strips of chips can wrap around the workpiece and the tool, potentially causing scratches on the workpiece, damaging the tool, and even leading to secondary rework in severe cases. So, what are the solutions? If we use a domestic CNC system, it will be more convenient. The system comes with a chip breaking command, which can be used directly. First, let's look at Guangshu, whose chip breaking command is G191, and the format is as follows. For example, P represents the pause time in milliseconds, and L signifies the turning length in millimeters. G190 cancel chip breaking. For instance, the line of program represents turning 8 millimeters and pausing for 0.5 seconds. If the machine tool of the FANUC system does not have a chip breaking function or does not utilize macro programming, how can we the chip breaking effect? We can use G74 packing processing to accomplish chip breaking and timely chip removal. The command format is as follows. Now you won't have a headache when you encounter chip entanglement again.